Imagine creating an amazing video from the editing, the scripting, the filming, and you got everything right. And yet, in the last step, which is uploading your video, you get everything wrong. And this is what almost 70% of beginner creators have a problem. They don't really know how to upload and plan the uploading process for YouTube, which in return makes them lose a lot of views, and with that they can't really grow on YouTube. But imagine, on the other hand, having a shitty video, having a lousy edit with a lousy script, and yet you have a lot of views. This is where the actual magic happens. It all lies down in the uploading process, and so many beginner creators think that it's one of the processes of creating a YouTube video. But after 2 years of content creation, I figured out that the uploading process is the process to get more views and grow faster. So I'm going to walk you through how to upload a YouTube video the correct way to get more views and get your content recognized. Now the problem lies that beginner YouTubers don't really understand that the uploading process is one of the key moments that makes or breaks your video. And the data that you put in the video description, the title and thumbnail is one of the most important parts that makes the YouTube algorithm recognize your perfect audience. And if you understand anything about YouTube or the YouTube algorithm, its primary task is to put your content in front of the right audience in order for that audience not to leave YouTube. So when you put the wrong data in the upload page, the YouTube algorithm won't understand your content. With that, is going to distribute that content to the wrong people, and your CTR is going to be a lot lower than usual because your video is appearing for people who are not interested in that content. But in order to fix that, the first step that you should take is actually plan the upload process even before creating the video. And this is one of the best moments that determine the video results before even uploading. Now, the first thing that you should always think about is your TTH, because they are the actual cover for your video. They are the most essential part about the metadata that the YouTube algorithm will understand in order to make your video appear in front of the right audience. So when you have a video idea that you want to present, you want to make, you want to do anything with, the first thing and the most basic and necessary thing that you should do is understand your title and thumbnail. And the best way to do that is to find outliers. Outliers are videos that outperform the channel average for other creators. When you find that outlier and try to apply it in your niche, your ability to increase your CTR is going to be higher. So your title and thumbnail are one of the most important and most essential parts about creating a YouTube video. So planning is the first step to uploading your video even before making the video. Then you should start looking for keywords. Keywords related to your niche, related to your content, or related to your hobby. And there's a lot of volume of search to those keywords, and then transform that outlier title to fit your niche and a certain keyword. So when your audience searches for that keyword, they have a big possibility in order to find you and watch your video. But the thumbnail's job is to actually confirm that the viewer found the right video and confirm the title that they just read. And there is two different schools on YouTube that say the title grabs attention and the second one confirms the click. But I think personally that the thumbnail should do both. It should grab attention and then confirm the click and confirm the video topic that matches the video thumbnail, so it isn't clickbait. Now the third one is the description. The video description is simply a guideline for YouTube algorithm to understand your video a little bit more. And the more you put keywords related to your niche and related to your audience, the more understandable your content will be to the YouTube algorithm in order to push it to the people that actually search for these keywords. So the description is one of the most important parts about your uploading process because it has the metadata. It has the actual information for the YouTube algorithm to understand your content even more. That's why one of the key and most important steps about creating and uploading a YouTube video, when you finish scripting your video, you should write down your video description. Because you have the collective memory of what you're going to say in the video, it makes it a whole lot easier for you to actually write down a specific description for keywords that you'll use in your title and description. After looking at these facts, you will understand that planning is everything, and planning your content even before filming is something really essential to upload your content the right way. When you plan your content even before filming, you will understand the title that fits the topic, and your title and thumbnail will frame your whole video into different formats. And then when you finish scripting, you should write down your description that fits your title and thumbnail and your perfect audience for the YouTube algorithm to understand more and then push it to the right audience. And by the way, if you have a problem with views, it's probably your thumbnail. That's why I want you to watch this video, because it could help you develop your design skills in order to create a great thumbnail for your videos. And yes, do not forget to subscribe if you want to grow your YouTube channel and be a better content creator.